Good day everyone, so today we're going to discuss Quarter 1 Module 2, Solving Quadratic Equations by Extracting the Roots, where C is a perfect square. So what is a square root property? So this is one of the methods that can be used to solve quadratic equations. It states that if x squared is equals to c, then x is equal to positive square root of c, or x is equal to negative square root of c, where c is a real number. So for example, solve by extracting the square roots. Letter A, we have here x squared minus 100 is equal to 0. So step number 1, we need to isolate our constant term 100. And to do that, i-add natin yung additive inverse niya. Since ito yung minus 100, mag-add tayo ng positive 100 on both sides of our equation. Simplifying this one, we have here x squared, negative 100 plus 100 is equals to 0, is equal to 0 plus 100 is 100. Step number 2, apply square root property. So we have here square root of x squared. Since this is square root, automatic na index nito ay 2 pero hindi na sinusulat. So for now, write natin 2 divided by 2 is 1. It means lalabas ang x sa loob ng ating radical sign or square root symbol. So the x is equal to positive, negative. What is the square root of 100? Think of the same number na kapag multiply mo, the answer is 100. So that is 10. Therefore, the value of x is equal to positive, negative 10. In solution set, that is positive, negative 10. Letter B, we have here 81x squared minus 100 is equal to 0. So step number 1, isolate natin yung constant term natin na 100. And to do that, we need to add its additive inverse. Since this is minus 100, magpa-plus tayo ng 100 on both sides of our equation. Next, simplify natin. 81x squared, negative 100 plus 100 is equal to 0, is equal to 0 plus 100 is 100. Next, step number 2. Now, to find the value of x, we need to make the numerical coefficient of x equal to 1. And to do that, we need to divide both sides by 81. So we have here 81x squared divided by 81 is x squared is equal to 100 over 81. Apply square root property. So we have here square root of x squared plus minus is square root of 100 over 81. Now, since this is square root, automatic na ang index nito ay 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Ibig sabihin, yung x ay lalabas sa loob ng radical sign or square root symbol is equal to plus minus. So what is the square root of 100 over 81? So think of two same number na kapag multiply mo, ang sagot ay 100. So that is 10 over. So isip ka rin ng dalawang parehas na number na kapag multiply mo, ang sagot ay 81. So that is 9. Therefore, the value of x is positive, negative 10 over 9. Letter C, we have here x squared plus 144 is equal to 0. So step 1, isolate our constant term. Since this is plus 144, add natin yung additive inverse niya, which is minus 144 on both sides of our equation. Simplify natin, we have here x squared. 144 minus 144 is 0. Is equal to 0 minus 144 is negative 144. Apply square root property. So we have here square root of x squared is equal to positive, negative square root of negative 144. Tandaan, dahil ito ay square root, ang index nito ay 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Lalabas ang x sa loob ng square root symbol. So we have here x is equal to positive, negative Now, think of a two same number na kapag multiply mo, ang sagot ay negative 144. So, wala. Therefore, the value of x is positive negative square root of negative 144 or pwede mong sabihin, no real roots.